Welcome to Conexion's demo, your seamless data connectivity solution for effortless communication with carriers. By relying on our solution, as a shipper, your only task is to complete the initial system setup and create a shipment when needed. Everything else shown in this video happens automatically in the background through Conexion's common carrier layer, which seamlessly translates API calls and EDI messages with carriers, ensuring smooth data flow between your system and the carrier. In the SAP Business Network for Logistics, the initial configuration requires selecting Conexion as the network partner for the carriers you want to communicate with. This allows our solution to automatically transfer messages on your behalf. To complete the setup, simply enter our LDN ID in the Configure Partner Connection tab of the SAP Business Network for Logistics. Once this step is complete, you can proceed with creating a shipment in your transportation management system, allowing the relevant carriers to receive the shipment details. If you are using SAP TM, ocean shipments are typically sent using the Send Booking process in the Subcontracting tab of Edit Ocean Booking. SAP TM then routes the message to the SAP Business Network for Logistics, where you can also view the booking request message in the Integration Files section. The SAP Business Network for Logistics then forwards the message to Conexion through a pre-established connection. Conexion automatically translates and harmonizes SAP API messages into its common carrier layer API format, ensuring compatibility with carrier requirements. While all further steps shown in this demo provide insight into what happens behind the scenes, you do not need to take any manual actions. Conexion's common carrier layer, or CCL for short, standardizes and routes messages to carriers, enabling seamless communication with leading carriers already connected to our ecosystem. Messages such as bookings, booking confirmations, status updates, and others flow back and forth automatically, keeping both the shipper and the carrier informed in real time. Once the process is complete, the carrier receives the customer's booking request in their preferred format and processes it within their operational system. The carrier then sends a booking confirmation or a rejection with a reason, which is transmitted in the carrier's format back to Conexion CCL. The CCL then translates it into the customer's preferred format, specifically the SAP Business Network for Logistics API Freight Booking Confirmation, so that neither the shipper nor the carrier needs to take any action. Shippers can also create additional messages, such as shipping instructions, which follow the same automated process. Conexion manages all translations for both shippers and carriers. Additionally, Conexion collects all carrier tracking details, which customers can leverage within their operational systems for full shipment visibility.